Hey babe, what do you think?
Oh, is it cold in here?
Not that, the body. So with all the Alpha M videos that you've been watching and all the thumbs up you've been dropping, gentlemen, I'm assuming that those spicy senoritas are gonna be trying to rip your clothes off. And when they do, you gotta make sure you don't look like a hot mess. Today, guys, I'm gonna go over a few quick and easy ways for you to look better naked without going to the gym. And just to get it out of the way, yes, if you wanna change your body and look the best you can without your clothes on, going to the gym, lifting weights, doing cardio, eating a healthy diet, these are the things that will truly change the way you look physically. But it takes time, it takes work, it takes consistency. The tips that I'm gonna go over today basically are going to help you look better within the span of a week. Starting with number one. Lemon water make your body sexy. Drink 1 gallon of lemon water each and every day, all right? And the reason why this is going to help you look better is that you're not gonna be retaining as much subcutaneous water underneath your skin. Your body is gonna start to flush. You see, what happens when we eat a lot of crap, a lot of processed nonsense, not to mention carbohydrates, we tend to retain water. But what happens when you actually increase the amount of water you're consuming, your body starts to let some of the stuff it's retaining go. Now, you don't want to go crazy. You don't want to drink like 2 or 3 gallons a day. That's actually dangerous. But 1 gallon of lemon water each and every day, the lemon is going to act as a natural diuretic. The increased water consumption, your body is going to look better because you're not going to be retaining as much water underneath your skin. Combine it with number 2, reduce the amount of high glycemic carbohydrates you're actually consuming. Now, I'm not saying to go like 0 carbs, but if you want to notice like literally an instant difference in your body, it is amazing what happens when you actually reduce the amount of carbohydrates that you're consuming. When I decide to like go for a little bit of a diet or I want to look better naked, guys, what I will do is reduce or eliminate the starchy carbs, right? Cut out the breads, cut out the pastas, cut out the sugar, and just focus on low glycemic carbohydrates like sweet potatoes, barley, not to mention a lot of incredible vegetables. You eat your proteins, eat your fats, but what you're going to notice is pretty amazing. Your weight is going to drop really quickly. You hop on the scale. Damn, did I just literally lose like 5 pounds of fat overnight, Alpha? No, you didn't. You lost a little bit of fat because chances are you are in a caloric deficit if you're cutting out the crappy carbs. You lost a little bit of fat, but the main thing that you have done is actually retain less water because those carbohydrates have a tendency to hold and store water in your body, making you look softer and sloppy fat. The third thing that you can do that will instantly make you look better naked is to Manscape. Guys, if you are rocking a big monster man bush, it's making Big Al look little, like Little Al, right? But by simply taking the bulk down and also shaving your testicles, you're gonna be amazed at how much bigger and better you look. But it's not just Big Al and the twins, it's also the booty. Gentlemen, what I want you to do, if you got a big hairy keister, take your grooming tool and just go up the cheeks. I would not use a razor to actually shave my butt cheeks, all right? I've tried it on a few different occasions. Every time I regret it. At first you're like, yeah, mom, it's super smooth, right? But then it starts to grow back. And as it does, it gets like itchy, ingrown hairs, you get pimples. Now, one thing you can do in order to prevent or eliminate the ingrown hairs on your butt, gentlemen, is to use this tool in the shower, right? I've talked about this before. I'll tell you a little bit more about this in a second. But anyway, using some type of exfoliating brush like this one, I will link to it down below, from today's video sponsor, Vanity Planet, is amazing. Not only is it going to help exfoliate, it's going to help prevent the hairs from getting trapped and ingrown, making your butt super soft and sexy. In terms of the rest of your body hair, guys, if you've got back hair, eliminate it. Nobody likes that. Shoulder hair, get rid of it, all right? Chest hair is a personal preference thing. For me, I actually like to shave it. So for me, I shave my chest. I also shave my arms because, in my opinion, guys, the less body hair you actually have, the more lean and the more muscular you actually look. Now, the one thing I just need to warn you in terms of manscaping or shaving is that you gotta make sure that you exfoliate every day. Just add your favorite body wash to the Spin for Perfect brush and exfoliate. Guys, this is an incredible tool that I would highly recommend each and every one of you get, all right? I used to suffer from bad like back acne and chest acne, and then when I started shaving, it actually got worse. I've been using this brush now for about the past 3 years, and it has completely changed my life, also my skin. So check it out, right? When you turn it on, it goes to work doing what it does, all right? And then every day when I'm in the shower, it feels amazing, but it also does a few other things. It makes sure that I don't get like ingrown hairs from manscaping, but it also gets all of like the blackheads and the gunk stuck in my pores out. My skin has literally never looked better. And the other thing that I've always struggled with is actually like getting my back, right? Because it's tough to get, but this, check it out, right? You can get all in at the center, both sides, right? Up there. It works for getting your back because that's one of the biggest areas that a lot of guys have breakouts. The other really cool thing about this brush, guys, it comes with different attachments. All right, this one is for your face, right? Oh, the bristles are super soft, so it's not gonna like irritate you, but it's a mild cleansing and exfoliating. And the other thing I love about it, guys, is that it works great. If you've got a beard and you suffer from like chin flakes, this actually eliminates it. Guys, this product is something that each and every one of you needs in his shower and grooming arsenal. Right now, if you hit that special link down below, they're offering it to you for an insane deal. 60% off. But check it out. It also comes with another attachment with like a pumice stone on it, which you actually use on your feet and your crusty ass toes when you're in the shower, gentlemen. And this actually brings us to something else you can do to look better naked. Have better looking feet. Your feet, gentlemen, if you want to instantly look better naked, have better looking feet. Because if your feet are all crusty and funky and nasty and crusty and you got possum toes, right? Or maybe you're getting frisky and freaky and you're rolling around and she's like, ooh mama, ooh daddy, I like it. And all of a sudden your possum feet like scratch your leg, it's game over. You're out the door. Every week, boom, hit it with the pumice stone on the spin brush. Guys, I'm telling you, it works incredibly well. Now, a little pro tip, what I'd recommend is wait till the end of your shower, because at the end of the shower, all the skin, all the calluses are actually softer. Guys, this tool is a game changer. And right now, like I said, for a limited time and while supplies last, if you hit that link down below, you're going to get this for 60% off. Guys, this tool is amazing. Use it all over your body, your legs, your boys, like literally you can it kind of tickles in certain areas, but it's awesome. The bristles are still soft enough to use it on Al or the twins, guys. I'm telling you, this thing is a game changer. If you're looking to upgrade your skincare game, look better, feel better, and not have a bunch of breakouts on your body or your face, hit the link down below and grab one of these. Not only is it going to help your body look better, your face look better, it's also going to help your feet not be funky as fuck. I'm telling you, it's crazy how smooth and sexy your skin is going to look, but this brings us to the next thing you can do in order to have a better looking body. Moisturize. Guys, the fact is this. If your skin is dry and dull and ashy, it's not going to look as good. Your body is not going to look as good naked. Now, what I want you to do is actually make sure you get all over your body. The other upside to having hydrated skin is that the light is going to actually reflect a little bit and make your body look better, because it's going to look more chiseled, more defined, and sexier, especially if you've removed the hair. Now, something else I just want to toss out there that I have noticed makes a big difference in terms of your body looking better is actually all about the lighting, all right? So if you work out, I don't need to explain this whole phenomenon of amazing lighting, right? Certain lighting is going to cast shadows over your body, making you look better, sexier, and all that good stuff. But if you're somebody that's not amazingly like into their body, or you feel that you could lose a few lbs, what I would recommend, instead of using or turning on an overhead light when you have company, what I'd recommend instead is turn on some type of side table lamp in order to provide ambiance, mood, not to mention side table lamps are just kind of sexy and cool. The reason why this is going to actually make your body look better, instead of the bright, harsh overhead light making everybody aware of every inch of your body, the soft ambient light of the side table lamp is going to be a little bit softer, more sparing, and more forgiving, making your body look better. Ladies, I'm kidding, not ladies, gentlemen. Here's the deal. Another pro Alpha M tip to make your body look better without your clothes on is actually to get a tan. Now, in the summertime, it's easy, right? Outside, your shirt's off, you're running, you're funning, you're sunning, right? Your body looks amazing. Tan fat looks better than pasty white fat. And when you actually add a little bit of color to your skin, your body is going to look better. You're going to look more muscular. You're also going to look leaner. Now, if you don't have access to the sun, or you don't want to get skin cancer, something else you can do is use a sunless tanner. Just go to Amazon, do a search for sunless sunless tanners and then look for the ones with the highest ratings, all right? I have used some sunless tanners that have legit made me like orange, and it's definitely not a good look. But sunless tanners have come a long way. Now, the one thing I would like to mention is if you are going to be applying one, make sure to use gloves because the calluses and the palms of your hands will get stained if you actually just squirt it into your hand and start rubbing it in. And stained, calloused hands are also not a good look. Gentlemen, that's it. A few easy ways for you to make your body look super sexy within a week. If you implement the tips, the strategies, and bro science that I dropped on you in this video, gentlemen, you are going to be amazed at how much better your body looks without clothes, even without going to the gym, which is still the most important thing you can do to look better naked. Bye.